Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Healthy Hair 101. It's your girl Sarah, and today I want to share a story with you about my struggle with greasy hair and how I managed to handle and prevent it. So let's dive right in. I remember it like it was yesterday. I was in high school, and I had this super important presentation to give in front of the entire class. I was already nervous, but when I woke up that morning, my hair was a greasy mess. I didn't have time to wash it, so I tried to style it in a way that would hide the grease, but it just made it worse. I felt so embarrassed standing in front of my classmates, with my hair looking like I hadn't showered in days. That's when I decided I needed to find a solution to my greasy hair problem. I started researching and trying out different tips and tricks to handle and prevent greasy hair. First, I learned that washing my hair every day was actually making it worse. I know, it sounds counterintuitive, but overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils, causing your scalp to produce even more oil to compensate. So I started washing my hair every other day, and I noticed a significant improvement in the greasiness. Oh, and by the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Another tip I discovered was to use a clarifying shampoo once a week to really cleanse my hair and remove any product buildup. This helped to keep my hair feeling fresh and clean without overwashing it. I also started using a dry shampoo on the days when I didn't wash my hair. This was a game changer. It helped to absorb any excess oil and gave my hair some much-needed volume. Lastly, I learned to be mindful of the hair products I was using. I switched to a lightweight conditioner and made sure to only apply it to the ends of my hair, avoiding the roots. This helped to keep my hair moisturized without weighing it down or making it greasy. So there you have it, guys. That's my story of how I managed to handle and prevent greasy hair. I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you have any other suggestions or have gone through a similar situation, please leave a comment below and let me know how it affected your hair health. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!